Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my space. So today we want to cook this wonderful plate of Irish potatoes. Let's get right into it. First things first, you wash your potatoes, peel, wash, put it in a pot, and then some smoked fish. And then I was using chicken, gizzard, and liver. You could use whatever protein of your choice here. And then I have my crayfish. This is the cocoa of the matter, you understand? So after pounding my crayfish and it's smooth, I'm going to put it in a pot. Do not forget the crayfish. That's your crayfish and your smoked fish. So there I have my shallots. I'll just pound them a little just to release that flavor. I personally love the flavor of shallots. They have a stronger flavor than normal onions. So after that, I'm going to put in the pot as well, and then that's some blended garlic and ginger into the pot, some salt, and then some seasoning powder I'm going to put in the pot as well. After that, I'm going to add in just a cup of water, small. You see, that's all the water I'm adding. And then my palm oil, of course. I close my pot and let it cook. You can see that. I'm adding in some green spices, celery and spring onions and basil. I just let it cook and my food is ready. The flavor coming from this, oh my goodness. Say, you need to try this as easy as this. If you try this, you won't try potatoes any other way. Thanks for watching, guys. Please keep coming back. Like, share. Look at that flavor. Please keep coming back, guys. Bye.